Ayan, so perfect morning po sa ating lahat sa mga nasa Zoom and FB Live. Thank you po, Coach Jessie, sa introduction. So ang atin pong topic, cutting out all carbs and fat, think again. So tatanong ko lang po sana, sa pagpapahealthy po ba, isa po ba yung dalawa po ba yung carbohydrates and fats sa inuuna nating i-consider na tanggalin? Type 1 naman po if you're that type of person na naku, kailangan bawasan natin si carbohydrates. For example, si kanin, tsaka bawasan natin yung matataba, like chicharon ba yan? Ayan, type 1 po, if you're that type of person na pagdating sa pagpapa-healthy, ayun po yung una nating nako-consider. So, ang reference po natin dito is the Herbalife Wellness Resources and later on may H&N Grow din po tayo. So, on the next slide po, makikita naman po natin na sa Herbalife po, tunay na may resulta regardless of age po and background. So, Coach Lori po, Lori Rivas, I'm a 3 times cesarean section mama, breastfeeding kay Bunso when I started Herbalife. Ang background ko po, when I was younger, exposed po ako sa maagang pag-work. So, working student, payat-puyat sakitin. So, naranasan ko po na hindi indikasyon ng mababa or tamang timbang yung pagiging healthy. Fast forward to the peak weight po, with the level of unhealthiness that I have, hindi po masaya kasi unhealthy ka na nga, tapos mataas pa yung timbang mo. So, anxiety comes in, kahit na wala naman pong sinasabi yung husband ko na kailangan ko na talaga magpapayat. It's more of a personal choice to be healthier kasi na-experience ko na po yung palapalagian na pagpunta sa ER or doctor at yearly confinement. So, with Herbalife po, it became my solution for the weight loss. So, I have lost more than 30 amazing pounds, including more than 10% po ng body fats ko. But with the learning community such as this one po and our local and international trainings, like yung kakatapos lang po na spectacular and parating na extravaganza, I became more aware and more educated, kumbaga, pagdating sa nutrition na kailangan po pala ng body and regardless of our age. So, my weight loss became a gateway para po sa family nourishment namin or family nutrition. So, dito po sa Herbalife, kung nandito po kayo 5 to 10 minutes ago and you've seen Coach Cecil, ganun po yung gusto kong aging, yung maganda po ako, yung healthy po ako, yung malakas ako. Konting birthday ko na lamang po, mag-40s na, line of 4 na ako. But who's counting anymore if we are on the path of, and we are in a community na tutulungan po tayo maging healthier, happier, and fitter. At i-remind po tayo na it is a family thing. That is why I love Herbalife. Ayan. So sa next slide naman po tayo, cutting out all carbs and fat, think again. And on the next slide po, konting definition ng carbohydrates. Macronutrient, major macronutrient, our body's source of fuel. So major, kasi tatlo po sila na macronutrients. You've heard of the protein, the carbohydrates, and the fat. Macro meaning kailangan po ng body natin in large amounts po yan. And tatandaan po natin na carbohydrates ay source of fuel. So it is created to give our body fuel. And at the same time po, ngayon po kasi may maririnig din tayo or makikita tayo na ginagawa ng ibang mga tao na strategy ng pagpapa-weight loss, for example, by cutting carbohydrates. However po, maraming instances na maaaring a little too much of the cutting. Kaya nga po think again if you want to cut our carbohydrates. And on the next slide naman po, ayan. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the most important source of fuel, ayan, in our daily diet and for the athletes as well. Kaya po sila may tinatawag na carbo loading. But if you're like a normal person, you're not intense in the exercise, sinasabi rin po na huwag kang mag-carbo loading kasi hindi mo naman din yung kailangan. Hindi mo na siya mababurn kasi hindi intense yung ginagawa mo. And in fact, there are many types of healthy carbohydrates. So keyword po natin ng healthy. Healthy carbs that should be included in our daily nutrition according to Dr. Dana Ryan. Later on po, may makikita po kayong video that talks about, that shows Dana Ryan as an expert in the Herbalife community sharing about the portion of the fats later on. So dito po, meron din pong mounting research that shows that a healthy diet improves brain performance and preserves brain function. Ayan po, and it makes sense because our diet choices can really affect our blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol. Na many of these levels po, pag po nag-act up or off, it can be bad for our brain and increase the risk of stroke, dementia, and decrease cognition. So yung pong blood sugar level po, ang pwedeng maka-affect din doon is yung intake natin ng carbohydrates. Kaya po nire-remind tayo na healthy carbohydrates, or we can also call it the complex carbohydrates, which are also rich in fiber po. And syempre, gusto ko lang din pong i-highlight na kapag tayo po ay, on the next slide naman po, ayan, at the next slide, carbohydrates fuel the brain and the muscles. Kaya ako rin po na-mention na importante po yung intake natin kasi it can really also affect our brain function. So carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our brains, fastest way for our body to produce energy. So kung magle-lessen naman po tayo sa carbohydrates natin, maaari po na ma-compromise naman yung fastest way para ma-fuel yung body natin. So ako po, personally, when I was doing Muay Thai, I make sure na dun sa bago ako makapag Muay Thai, pero not too close to the time that I am doing it, meron po akong enough na carbohydrates so that I can power through my workout. Pero again po, if you're not doing that intense activity, wag po tayong magka-carbo loading kasi hindi.
Na-mute ka, Lor? Kala ko ako na-mute.
Um, Sige po, dito sa, sige, ulitin ka na lang po. Carbohydrates fuel the brain and the muscle. So, main source po siya ng energy for our brain and the fastest way for our body to produce energy. So, hindi ko po sure kung narinig kanina, but when I was doing Muay Thai, I make sure to load up ample carbohydrates for me to use and utilize so I can power through my workout. And again, strong reminder po na if you're not doing that intense of an activity, wag niyo pong wag po kayo masyadong mag-loading kasi hindi niyo po siya mababurn. Magiging excess po yun sa ating body. Kaya po nagkakaroon ng tendency yung iba na ganito po yung exercise nila pero kasi nagkaroon po ng notion na they have to load that amount of carbohydrates, hindi po nila nakukuha yung desired results nila in terms of their, for example, physique improvement or weight loss. And on the next slide naman po, carbohydrates prevent muscle breakdown. So by eating enough carbohydrates throughout the day, yung protina po sa body natin, free po daw siya na i-deliver or gawin yung main job niya, which is to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. So insert ko lang po, you have heard rebuild strength earlier. So get in touch with your coach to know more about it. But going back to the topic po, especially if we are an athlete or if you're doing intense activity or you have an active lifestyle, kailangan po meron kayong ample amount of carbohydrates. Kasi may tendency rin naman po na pag too little naman po yung carbohydrates natin as the fastest way for us to be fueled, pwede rin po na matap ng ating activity na yon yung muscle natin as the source of energy. Thus, may lead to muscle breakdown or muscle loss. And syempre po, i-highlight ko din po na importance ng healthy carbohydrate intake for the active ones. Kasi nga po, merong mga type din ng carbohydrates na pwede natin naman talaga makonsider pero sila pala yung sobrang matatamis na type ng carbohydrates. Yan. So on the next slide po natin, reminder din po that we have to get the right kind of carbohydrates. Ayan, paano right kind po, Coach Lori? Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates. So, carbohydrates in its essence po, hindi po siya masama. Kaya po, huwag tayong matakot. Even sa kanin, huwag tayo po matakot. Nagiging compromise lang naman po yan or lihis dun sa goals natin pag po napapasobra tayo. That is why we have this community, we have this learning community that helps us grow our discipline. We work with our coaches and at the same time po, yung internal desire natin towards lifestyle improvement. So going back po, simple carbohydrates naman po are the sugars. Example of which are the soda, the baked treats, breakfast cereal, and the like. And if you were here earlier po, sa Value of Healthy Breakfast, napakita po rin ni Coach Sally yung traditional breakfast, yung impact po niya sa blood sugar level, And I also must mention din po na you have also heard or you may have heard earlier yung low glycemic index, certified low glycemic index. If you are someone who's conscious or if you are someone who's watching the behavior of your blood sugar, importante po na naiintindihan natin or may idea po tayo which are the ones that we can intake that can help us. Ayan po, dahil hindi naman po sila in its essence talagang masama. Anything in excess can be harmful po. Ayan, sige po, on the next slide naman tayo. Pakita po tayo ng carbohydrate swapping. So sa carbohydrate swapping naman po, makikita natin, type 1 po kayo kung yung nasa left side po ay mga type ng intake na inyong kinahuhumalingan or kinahumalingan, past tense na po Ayan. Tapos, yung nasa kanan naman po, yung mga healthy food swap. So, hindi po dito sinasabi na bawal. But it's the same reason that we are in this community so that we can help each other grow in this aspect para po hindi tayo ma-stuck dun sa nasa mga kaliwa. Kasi nga po, if it can compromise our health, therefore, yung sarap niya outweighs yung magiging impact niya sa body. Yun lang din po yung lagi kong tinatandaan. Magkakaroon po tayo ng conscious, mindful choices in terms of our carbohydrates intake. Like, pwede naman yung white rice, pero pwede mo siyang i-sub with brown rice. Pero that doesn't mean sinasabi bawal. Kaya po, if you're starting your weight loss journey, huwag ka pong ma-stuck dun sa question na, dun sa idea na bawal na kasi kumain ng kanin. So, you have to also understand and know your body and commit to starting a discipline po. So yan, may white bread din, instant oats, nandun po sa baba yung mga healthy na swaps. Of course, chips. If you're into the junk foods, ganyan, syempre magiging healthier na intake kumbaga yung nuts, but then, of course, you also have to check on the nuts that you're taking in. Mamaya, binili mo yung deep fried yung yung nasa kalsada na mani, yon, di ba, deep fried yon. So, kung palagian din ganun, malilihis din. So, anything in excess again can be harmful. Ayan, so next one po tayo is a sample of a healthy prep spicy chicken soup po yan. Nandyan po yung carbohydrates content niya sa baba, protein, kung ilang calories siya. I'm showing this to also highlight that in our community in Herbalife, meron din po mga healthy recipes. If you have just started your journey or tipong nakaka 3 months ka na tapos naisip mo, may iba bang way? Ah, may iba bang mga food intake na pwede kang makuha as a suggestion kay Coach? Si Coach po, hindi ka naman literal na ipaggagawa ng recipe. Meron po kasing healthy recipes na available sa website ng Herbalife. All you have to do is to use our resources po. Kasi meron naman po doon ng mga Asian type. So, hindi po lahat siya parang westernized, kumbaga. And at the same time po, as shared earlier, even yung rebuild strength can be transformed into protein bites. So, yung mga ganun po, making our journey exciting. Ayan. So, additional information lang po regarding our carbohydrates. Ayan. Ito po, you've heard that this is protein-based. This can help support our weight management effort as well as our meal replacement. Again, this is not your milkshake or fruit shake, but this is your meal replacement shake because the nutrients in it is comparable to that of a meal. And this has 11 grams of carbohydrates and this is certified low glycemic index. So kaya po, if we're looking for satiety, longer fullness, ganyan, this can help us po. Kaya rin po nakakatulong siya sa mga nagwe-weight loss. But if you're not in the weight loss side, this can also help, of course, with your weight gain, overall pagpapa-healthy because this is nourishment. This can give us nourishment po. And isang pindot po, makikita naman natin na in our community, we have these premium shakes. Premium shakes, these are premium prepared shakes, but the base ingredient is our Formula 1 nutritional shake mix. This also still has your good source of carbohydrates from the shake and design po siya or nagawa po yung recipe na yan to cater dun sa mga palate needs ng mga tao ngayon na and to indulge without the guilt. Meaning, we can have this fancy prep drinks or food, kumbaga, nang hindi naman natin nilalagay yung sa alanganin yung ating mga sarili in terms of having this kind of drinks. Kasi undeniably in the market, merong mataas sa sugar. So, syempre, lihis siya again dun sa goals natin. Yan po. Okay, so bago po natin i-play si Dr. Dana Ryan, additional information lamang po regarding our carbohydrates. These are starches and sugars. Supply most of the fuel of our body, including our brain. And tandaan po natin two words, type and quality of carbohydrates eaten makes a big difference po sa ating intake. So focus on the complex carbohydrates as mentioned earlier. These are the ones usually high in fiber po talaga. Can always get in touch with your coach. Talking about fiber, get in touch with your coach about how you can up it, especially if you're not the person na mahilig po sa vegetables, na usually yun yung complex carbohydrates. There's also a supplement that can help with that. Kesa naman po yung parang dead end na, wala na, hindi naman ako kumakain ng gulay, so hindi na lang ako makakapag-complex carbohydrates. And ano pa po ba? Fruits and vegetables, whole grains, beans, and they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Tatandaan po natin, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. And these nutrients not only fuel our brain, but protect as well our brain cells against damage from free radicals released from pollution, stress, and just being alive literally, makakasaga po tayo ng mga free radicals. So, that's also kaya rin po, stress management is also important to get, part po talaga siya ng ating 7 pillars of good health. Ayan. And on another note, the healthier fiber feeds good gut bacteria. Kaya po yung complex carbohydrates na source of fiber, nakakatulong din po sa gut health natin. Ask your coach, what can be a combination supplement dito po sa Herbalife na pwede po ma-feed yung good bacteria natin and pwede din po maging source natin ng good bacteria. So this time naman po, let's play our video from Dr.
Let's talk
Dana
about a
Ryan.
few facts about fats, including what they do within our bodies, and then we'll talk about how to eat the right types of fats. Fats are an important source of energy.
Okay.
Fat not only supports the function of the brain and nervous system, but is also needed to help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, which are vitamins that can dissolve in fats and oils. Some of the components in fats are essential, which means that they have to be provided from food because your body can't make them. So if your body doesn't get the essential fatty acids it needs, it could have bad effects on your health. Now remember, up to 30% of your daily calories should come from fats. Let's talk about the different types of fats and which ones you should opt for. Fats can be divided into two broad categories, saturated and unsaturated fats. Of the two, unsaturated fats are considered to be better for you. Saturated fats are found primarily in animal products like butter, cheese, whole milk, and meat. Too much of this fat is unhealthy and can contribute to a rise in cholesterol in the bloodstream. Unsaturated fats are mainly found in plant foods and generally do not contribute to a rise in the cholesterol levels of normally healthy people. Unsaturated fats can be further broken down into two categories, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats are found in nuts, seeds, olive oils, and avocados. These are good fats as long as you eat them in moderation, for all fats are high in calories. Polyunsaturated fats are classified as either omega-3 or omega-6 fats. The body needs both types, but the balance between these two is key. The problem for most of us is that we eat too many omega-6 fats, found in the oil and fried and snack foods, and in sweet baked goods. And we eat too little of the omega-3 fats, those found in fish, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. So the next time you hear the word fat, don't worry. Just remember to choose the right type of fat to eat and consider the amount needed in your diet.
Ayun, thank you po sa video. And on the next slide,
So let's talk
yan. So papakita lang po, sinabi po dun sa video, monounsaturated sana, unsaturated sana, monounsaturated sana. And quickly, banggit po yung difference ni omega-3 and omega-6. And yung keyword po na gusto kong iwan din for this part is moderation. Gawa ng yung mga fats din naman po, relatively daw po high in calories. So if you're someone who's trying to lose weight, you have to be watchful of that one as well. Healthy po siya, but it can be relatively low, high in calories. And the omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid po na presence ng ating body, yung omega-6 po, yung mga casual nating nakukuha, mas mahirap po i-source or makuha kumbaga yung omega-3 fatty acid. Kaya po, nagiging relevant po yung supplementation gawa ng kung mahal po yung source din ng omega-3 fatty acid, mas mura po kumbaga pag naghanap tayo ng quality source. And on the next slide po, mabilis lamang din po ito. As we end, meron lang quick question and answer na ipi-play po si Coach Liza. Yan. So, thank you po. 5 lamang po yan. So, mabilis lang talaga po siya kasi hindi na po natin siya question and answer. And regarding po the supplement that I'm talking about on the next slide po, this is the Herbalife line. Ayan, the Herbalife line po, it's omega-3. Ayan, essential fatty acid that helps maintaining triglyceride level already in the normal range. Very important po na ma-take note natin yung presence ng DHA, yung EPA, and it also supports cardiovascular system while providing support sa brain and eye function. And dadagdag ko lang din po na, did you know that up to 70% of our brain is made up of fat? Kaya po importante rin po in cutting out fat, we really need to think again because fat is very important with proper brain function. And para po sa mga nakaranas ng wellness evaluation, hindi po lahat ng fat natin sa body ay masama. There's a certain percentage po that we have to follow, kumbaga. Kasi po, kinreate po yan na maging beneficial sa body natin. Again, anything in excess can be harmful. And at the same time po, we need the right amount of it. Kaya po tinuturo dito sa community natin yung mga mono, poly, and everything. It can be jargon for some, but pwede po natin siyang patuloy na aralin pa unti-unti para po mas maintindihan po natin which is which po. And we need to get enough omega-3 fatty acid because they are essential building blocks of our brain and they're important for learning and memory. So if you're someone na parang concerned dun sa memorya, ganyan, the omega-3 fatty acid or this supplementation can also help na i-support natin yung part ng being natin na yun, kumbaga. Because maraming pakinabang yung brains natin. And the fat that we want to avoid in the large amounts is the saturated fat, such as the butter, fatty meat, full fat dairy products. And we need some, ayan, the worst fats are partially hydrogenated as well, like the trans fat. So, kaya nga po, very, kumbaga, sikat or yung matunog yung term na trans fat kasi po isa po siya sa iniiwasan din talaga natin, which are still found in some of the food. And also try to avoid mono and ditriglycerides because these are fats that are the replacements of trans fat in some commercial food that we are eating, like in the cake mixes, frosting, and other foods. And this is also good to avoid any foods that are deep fried. Ayan po, kaway-kaway po sa mga mahilig sa deep fried. Avoid daw po sana because these fats oxidize over time and may damage our cells. And on the next slide po, the bottom line is, it will always about balance, healthier choices, our body needs, and global nutrition philosophy, what our body needs, the macronutrients are there, but we also have the other things that our body needs. That is why the community is here. Your supplementation from a reputable number one nutrition company such as Herbalife is already there because balanced nutrition means getting the right mix of protein, carbohydrates, beneficial fats, and other key nutrients in our daily diet. And mention ko lang ulit that Formula 1 nutritional shake mix and other Herbalife products provide targeted nutrition to support balanced nutrition and overall well-being. So if we are in the path of cutting carbohydrates and fats, we really need to think again or maybe think of the healthier choices that we can have access on and get in touch with your coach or maybe get started na with your Mission Healthier. And on the next slide, of course, the reason that you will say yes to, because Herbalife has been recognized as a super brand in the Philippines. It's a seal of product quality. It avails consumers that we are availing a product that is excellent in its category. And overall, of course, on the next slide, we are number one in the world. Meal replacement, protein supplements combined. Number one in the world, weight management, well-being. Ayan, and number one in the world, active and lifestyle nutrition. Three, product quality seals na hindi po si Herbalife ang nagsabi sa sarili niya, but a third party, which is Euromonitor po. So with that said, on the next slide, thank you so much for learning with me din po today. I hope that you learn a thing or two that you can apply to your personal journey and you can share to the next person. O yung sa katabi niyo po ngayon na hindi siya nakikinig, kayo lang yung nakatutok sa Zoom. Alright, so thank you po, and Coach Jessie, back to you po.
Yes, Coach